Hello everyone, this is Sonia this side and welcome to Life Topics. Well, after receiving several demands about introducing my own voice, I decided, well, why not give it a try? So here I am today, and even though you may know this by heart now, let me repeat, this channel or this podcast is our own cozy corner of this big bad world. So grab your headphones, find a comfortable spot, and let's create some magic together. And oh, don't forget to bring the mug of hot chocolate along. We'll talk some other time about my obsession about hot chocolates. And I'll certainly tell you my favorite brands. But today we are going to talk about a subject that's not discussed much among us, not even between friends. And I promise you that you will not only leave inspired, but you will return to listen to this one again. But before we go ahead, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do, and don't forget to share this channel with your loved ones too. Remember, all of us need to have a channel like Life Talkies to say out loud things that we won't otherwise say. So, where were we? Ah, yes, the interesting topic that we don't much discuss about, right? What do you think it is? Well, it's something called working hard in silence. See, sometimes we all share our dreams and desires with our family, and if not family, then at least with our best friends, right? But do we chat about exactly how we are going to do that? The little everyday struggles behind it? No, we don't. Or sometimes we get so down and depressed by the events in our lives that we need to take a step back, recharge, work hard in silence, and then get back to the stage where we were. Or sometimes we get so obsessed about achieving a dream that we decide to work towards it in silence till the time we achieve it. And even I agree. Work hard in silence and the stuff of dreams that you see in the movies can actually be your reality. I mean, we all agree that the real life is based on real life, right? So, yeah, it can be true, but you need to work hard towards it. Only then it will turn into your reality. Only then it will be your truth. Do you keep talking about your plans, about what you are going to do in life, your long term goals, and do you keep posting about it on social media? Now, do you understand what you are doing? It often so happens that we waste our time and energy about displaying, planning, announcing, and exhibiting our plans. So, do you realize that our investment or your investment of energy and time into you, your achieving your dream reduces by that much? Are you aware of that? Now, most of the time, we underestimate the power of working on ourselves. And it's absolutely okay if you can't do this alone, if you can't work on yourself alone. If the thought of working towards your plans alone scares you in any way, or if these plans are so big that they require some help, then find a mentor, maybe a guru or a coach, a person you can depend on. Of course, you can build an empire or a business alone, but you can't build them with the wrong people as well. So trust me, you will never be able to sharpen your abilities, uncover your talents, release your gifts to the fullest if you don't sit with yourself, plan it, and do it. Your brilliance will not sparkle to the fullest, nor will you become the bestest possible version of yourself if you don't work on yourself. Nobody else is going to do this for you. People will clap and nod and greet you happily when you succeed or when you reach the top. People will see your glamour and status and success, and nobody, not even your family, will understand the efforts and hard work that you put in behind the doors. There is no BTS video or behind the scenes film for people to see how much you have suffered or how much sweat and blood you have put in while you worked on yourself. Sometimes you can't sleep. You simply keep working and thinking about it. Sometimes you may miss your lunch or dinner with the gang, or sometimes you miss a birthday or anniversary in the family. And sometimes it may be like me, where people think you are losing your mind or a complete failure because you have logged out of social media for months at a time. Well, that actually happened in my case. My hostel mate, who was my best friend for a certain amount of time, she thought I'm not sharing anything on social media because I don't have anything to share about. That I'm so complete a failure that I don't have anything worthy of showing off there. So being a friend, instead of asking why are you not keeping in touch, she straight away shared her worries about my failure. And trust me, I didn't reply with anything insulting. I simply smiled and nodded and kept on working hard in silence. That has got me here today, and I would rather not comment about her show of early life. Look, all I want to say is that it's not easy building something worthwhile overnight. Are your dreams that small? Are your dreams that insignificant that they don't need any sacrifices, any time? They are not called dreams then. Remember, to build something, you need to let go and pause on many things. You may need to pause on hanging out with friends or pause your regular movie time per week for a few months. This is all, so you can sit quietly, still yourself, and finally you can see it. Once you see it, you can manifest it. If you want to stay focused and not get away from your destiny or your kismet, then you need to keep people at a distance. You need to keep outsiders as outsiders. Keep them at arm's length because they will criticize you or comment you on whatever you are doing. Trust me, be it a good comment or bad, good opinion or bad, it will distract you. So till the time you have reached the goal that you have set for yourself, not everybody needs to know your every move or your every step. So work on your life and goals in silence. I know we are generally a talkative and social lot. We got to share, we got to eat together, we be on social media, etc., etc. Consider this all as a noise in your life. If we pay attention to this noise, then we will never reach the place of manifestation. To reach that place, what matters is what we do in secret, what we do when we are alone, what we do in silence, how we work on ourselves then behind the scenes. And if even a single person who is listening to me today decides that now is the time to reach my destiny or to become the person I always dreamt about, then I think I did it. So I guess my basic suggestion to you today is to stop oversharing, stop sharing everything. Learn to do things without talking about it. And don't tell me that you can do everything. No one can do everything. Being the master of it all, jack of all trades is a hoax according to me. I mean, it is overrated. I don't consider it something to be proud of, nor do I count it as some kind of badge of honor or award. Your attitude must not be to work hard, but to work smartly towards your single goal. Have that passion, that obsession in you to master the single thing at a time. That one thing that would take you to your goal. Why are you holding back that one gift that God has gifted you with? Master it, use it, release it, and you can do it only when you are alone with yourself, when you believe in yourself. If there is one thing I want to tell you at this moment in time, then it is to stop living in distractions. Stop living your life through your social media or other people's social media posts. Nobody is posting their entire journey there. Remember that. They are posting only their best days and highlights there. And you know the worst mistake you are doing right now. You are probably comparing your worst days with their best days. So stop logging on the social media to compare your days or your pics with other people. Anyone who has built anything worthwhile in this digital age of social media, they all have stepped back from their social media and even social lives for that matter for some time, when they were building in silence, when they were believing themselves and working towards it. We all have to do the same. Push harder, run fast, be your best, break through your limitations and reach the stage of manifestation of your dreams. Work on yourself and on your dreams in such a way that you will finally achieve your dream. So tell me, can you create? Can you achieve? Can you stop? Can you control? Can you build? Can you imagine it and work on it alone? Without sharing the details, without spilling the beans, without announcing it? Can you build something beautiful, so unbelievable, with just you and yourself? You can. So believe in yourself.